Hello ma'am, may I know which editorials are worth going through in today's newspaper?
Yes, absolutely. There's a very important editorial in the Indian Express today. So come, let's have a look.
The editorial is Manrega gave women freedom, law may not. So, Manrega is a government scheme that guarantees 100 days of paid work every year to rural households. This scheme has been very important for rural women. Alright, but why Manrega helped women is because women got assured work near their houses, they earned their own income, which gave them financial freedom. Women's share in Manrega work rose from about 48% to 58%. This was in 2008-9 and this was in 2024 to 25. So equal wages, also equal wages, fixed payment system reduced dependence on male family members. Also, it increased women's confidence, dignity, and bargaining power. Also, but why is it changing now? See, the government has introduced VBG Ramji bill. All right, the government has introduced VBG Ramji Act, Gram Ajivika Mission, which promises 125 days of welfare support, but not guaranteed work like Manrega. Now, why is this a problem? See, without guaranteed work, women may be forced to take informal jobs, work without job security, accept lower wages during non-farm or lean agriculture seasons. Women may lose their only reliable source of income, and this can push women back into dependence on men and landlords. Existing gender inequality may increase again. So this article argues that Manrega gave women freedom, but the new law may take it away. Now let us look at some numbers. 48% in 2008-2009 and 57.94% in 2024-25, and this shows that since its inception, Manrega has been a critical source of employment for women as well. The respectability associated with the government jobs and the availability of crutches encourage women. Additionally, women prefer workplaces that are closer to their residence as it reduces their commute time and cost, allowing them to manage domestic tasks as well. Now, without guaranteed work for 60 days during peak agriculture season, a vast majority of rural women will be compelled to take up informal works that provide no assurance of availability, proximity, and wage parity. Now let us look at the UPSC relevance of this topic. Why it is important for civil service examination? It is important for GS paper 2, which is governance and social justice. It is important for GS paper 1, which is society, and it is important for GS paper 3 for inclusive growth, employment generation, informal versus formal employment.
And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.